Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon all. Yeah. Firstly, I'd like to thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself to you. Firstly, I want to tell you about myself. My name is Nanda Prayoga. You can call me Nanda. I am 20 years old. I was born in Jambi, 23rd July, 1995. Now I live in Talangbakung, South Jambi. Okay. Next, for my family background, my father's name is Syafarudin. Yeah. He is he is a farmer, and my mother's name is Lelawati. She is a housewife. I have three brothers in my home, uh, and their name is Ferdi Fabriansyah, Abisam Razik Hanan, and then the last one is Fikri Juliandri. So I have six members in my family. Alright, and then I know all about basic of computer like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Paint, and other. I am good in mining program, yeah. And then I can use RGS, Theodolite, Waterpass, and also GPS. About my strength, I have positive thinking, I have good attitude, and I have positive manner. So I think that's mm, can make me better. Of that, I want to tell you about my educational background. I start my education from when I was 6 years old. I entered elementary school in Jambi City, and the name is Elementary School 133 in Talangbakung. After I passed from the elementary school, I am I continue my study in Islamic Junior High School in Jambi City too. Yeah, I joined for 3 years, of course. After that, I continue my study in senior high school in Jambi too. Islamic Senior High School. I mean, I joined for 3 years too. After that, when I passed from the Islamic Senior High School, I continue my study in Jambi City, and my major is mining engineering until now. Alright. Next, for my hobbies, yeah, I love all about sport. Anything all about sport, I love it, and I also love to sing. Yeah, I have a dream for my future life. Of course, I hope I can live happily ever after with my big family in the future. I think that's all about me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.